Hi guys! Today I'm going to take you through how to download one of my products onto Notability. It's a super easy process. Some of my Etsy or some of my notebooks and planners are too large for Etsy's files. So what I do is I put a download link onto a PDF, and this is similar to what it looks like. It could look like this or some of my older versions. Doesn't matter if it's a notebook, planner, stickers, whatever. It's the same process. So you'll download this and then you'll read through it. And then it says click to download, and you will download it. It'll say, do you want to open an external link? You'll click yes. And then this is what it looks like in Dropbox. You do not need a Dropbox account to do this. It's just where I store all of my things. So you're going to click the export button, and it opens up this little menu, and you're going to want to find share to Notability, and you'll tap on share to Notability, and you'll want to create a new note. If you add to an existing note, it'll just plop it in the middle of whatever you have, and you don't want that. So we want to create a new note. You can give it a name, whatever, it doesn't matter. You can just click import up here at the very top right, and it says one file sent to Notability. Done. And what we're going to do is we're going to look for Notability. We're going to open Notability. And let's click out of that. Done. And then there you'll see there is the planner right there. It's already in Notability, ready to go. So there you have it. Easy peasy. Thanks for watching, and thank you for your order. Have a great day. Bye.